From the following ledger balances of Sunbeams Company Limited, prepare balance sheet of the company as on 31st March 2020 as per the Schedule 3 of the Companies Act. So what they are asking us to prepare, they are asking us to prepare a balance sheet as per the Schedule 3 of the Companies Act, that is a vertical balance sheet. Now, what has been given? See, depending upon the heads which have been given, okay, depending upon the items which have been given, you are going to prepare the heads. आपको सारे आइटम्स नहीं रिकॉर्ड करना है, आपको सिर्फ जो दिया है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर द हेड्स एंड यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर दिस नोट्स टू अकाउंट्स. नाउ फर्स्ट वन इज शेयर कैपिटल. नाउ शेयर कैपिटल इज ऑफ 26 लाख. तो इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल कहां पर जाता है? अंडर द शेयर होल्डर्स फंड, और उसमें भी another part is share capital. The equity share capital will go under the share capital. Next is general reserve. General reserve is what? It is your reserves and surplus. So shareholder fund के अंदर में where it will go under the head reserves and surplus. 12% debentures. So this is your long-term borrowing. So it will be under non-current liabilities, long-term borrowings. Land and building. Land and building is your tangible fixed assets. So under the fixed asset, you are going to write down tangible asset. In that, there will be a land and building. Then goodwill. Goodwill is intangible asset. Bank overdraft is short-term provisions. Short-term borrowings. Yes, it is a short-term borrowings. Provision for the tax. Short-term provision. Prepaid insurance. Other current assets. Mutual fund investment. करंट असेट्स. म्यूचुअल फंड रिलेटेड अगर इन्वेस्टमेंट है तो वो किधर जाएगा? नॉन करंट में इट डजंट गो, इट गोज इन द करंट इन्वेस्टमेंट. नेक्स्ट इज इंटरेस्ट पेएबल, अदर करंट लायबिलिटीज. एडवांसेस टू एम्प्लॉइज, शॉर्ट टर्म लोन्स एंड एडवांसेस. डिस्काउंट ऑन द इश्यू ऑफ डिबेंचर्स. नाउ दिस इज अ फिक्टिशियस असेट्स. ये तो समझ में आ गया. और इसको हम कहां पर, जो राइट अनरिटर्न ऑफ है, तो अभी भी वो जो राइट ऑफ नहीं हुआ है, दैट वी शो इट ऑन अ असेट साइड. बट अंडर विच हेड यू आर गोइंग टू शो दिस? अंडर द हेड नॉन करंट असेट्स. So if the discount is given on the debentures, then it will be shown under the non-current assets. That other non-current assets. Tools and equipments. Tangible asset. अब देखो, one was land and building, another was tools and equipments. matlab we had a two, more than one, as I told you. For that notes to the accounts will be prepared. तो अगर हमें ये फिक्स हो गया कि हमें एक जो नोट्स टू द अकाउंट्स बनानी है वो कौन सी होगी? टेंजिबल एसेट्स की. नेक्स्ट इज डेटर्स. डेटर्स इज ट्रेड रिसीवेबल्स. कैश एट बैंक. कैश एट बैंक इज कैश एंड कैश इक्विवेलेंट. स्टोर्स एंड स्पेयर्स इज इन्वेंट्रीज. Profit and loss credit balance. Now, profit and loss credit balance will go under reserves and surplus. This is your surplus. So profit and loss and general reserve. We have two items. तो इसके लिए क्या prepare करेंगे? Notes to the accounts. So second notes to the accounts हमें जो मिला वो कौन सा है? Reserves and surplus. Then we have a bills receivable. So one we had the debtors, another one we have a bills receivable. और ये दोनों कहाँ पर जाता है? Under the head trade receivables. So again a third note will be prepared for trade receivables. Then we have a sundry creditors. Sundry creditors is trade payables. So हमें पहले क्या डिसाइड कर लेंगे अभी कि कौन कौन से हेडिंग आएंगे वो, and 3 notes to the accounts which we have to prepare. And we first liability side की जो भी notes to accounts है वो first लिखेंगे, फिर assets वाली. तो first notes to the accounts which we are going to prepare will be reserves and surplus. Second one tangible assets के लिए, and the third one will be trade receivables. चलो, now let's prepare a format. First you have to write down the name of the company, that is Sunbeams Company Limited. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2020. Particulars, note rupees. Now first we start with equity and liabilities. So equity and liabilities, shareholders fund, under it share capital and reserves and surplus. देखो यहाँ पर शेयर कैपिटल, देखो इन द प्रीवियस सम व्हिच वी डिड देयर वी वर गिवन द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट ऑथोराइज्ड कैपिटल. हमें यहाँ पर कुछ भी ऑथोराइज्ड या पेड अप सब्सक्राइब कैपिटल किसके बारे में भी इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं कहा दिया हुआ है, तो डायरेक्टली अंडर द शेयर कैपिटल जो भी हमें इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल दिया है वो डायरेक्टली लिख लोगे. अगर इंफॉर्मेशन दिया होता तो वी वुड हैव प्रिपेयर्ड अ नोट्स टू द अकाउंट्स फॉर द शेयर कैपिटल. Next one is reserves and surplus. Since we are going to prepare the note, we are going to write down in the note number 1. Next is non-current liabilities. एक ही non-current liability था हमारे पास यहाँ पर 12% of debenture. So under it you are going to write down long-term borrowings. What I told you, how to decide के कौन कौन सा item होगा depending upon what has been given. The items which are given, on that basis you are going to prepare the head. Next one is current liabilities. In that short term borrowings, chronological order follow करो. हाँ, ऐसा नहीं कि trade payables पहले लिख दिया फिर short term provisions लिखा. No, you have to follow the order which has been given. So first one will be short term borrowings, then trade payables, other current liabilities, and then short term provisions. And total of liabilities. Next is assets. Under that first one, non-current asset. Then the heading will be fixed assets. In fixed assets, tangible assets and intangible assets. Now for the tangible assets, we have a 2 tangible assets. So note number 2. Then we had a discount on the issue of debentures. So which will go under the non-current assets. So second head will be other non-current assets. Next, current assets. उसमें सबसे पहले current investment, because we have a mutual fund. Then inventories, trade receivables. Now trade receivables में we had a 2 items, debtors and bills receivable. So our notes to the accounts will be prepared. So number 3 will be given, the trade receivables. Then cash and cash equivalent, short-term loans and advances. And last is other current assets. Total. After preparing a main balance sheet, we just prepare notes to accounts. So just prepare notes to accounts, leave 2 lines. First note will be reserves and surplus. Second will be tangible assets. And the third one will be trade receivables. Chalo, let's start now with the posting part. First one is what? Equity share capital. As I told you, they have not given any of the information regarding the authorized share capital or called up or a paid up. So directly under the head share capital, we'll write in the bracket equity amount. Next we have reserves and surplus. तो notes बना है उसके लिए. तो general reserve में you are going to under the head reserves and surplus, you are going to write down the general reserve 30,000. So just go to the notes to the accounts and write down first general reserve. 30,000. Next is 12% debentures. So it will be in the long-term borrowings. So just in the bracket, we are going to write down 12% debentures. Okay. Debentures. And it will be the amount 7 lakh rupees. Next one is land and building, 15 lakh 54,000. Yeah, where were we? Land and building. So under the head notes to accounts, tangible assets में लिखेंगे land and building. Amount will be 15 lakh 54,000. Next we have a goodwill. Intangible asset एक ही है. Intangible asset में तो directly we will write down intangible assets in the bracket. Goodwill. Write down full. This 10 lakh. Then we have a bank overdraft. Short-term borrowings 2,45,100. Next is provision for taxation. Short-term provisions में in the bracket just write down taxation 82,000. Next is prepaid insurance. Other current assets 25,000. Next one, mutual fund investment. So in the current investment, in the bracket, we are going to write down mutual fund. 1,68,000. Is interest payable 32,400. So other current liabilities. Advance to the employees. Short-term loans and advances. 1,50,000. Next is discount on the issue of debentures. Other non-current assets. $12,500. नेक्स्ट इज टूल्स एंड इक्विपमेंट्स. तो हमने नोट्स टू अकाउंट्स बनाई है फॉर टेंजिबल एसेट्स. So under tangible assets, you are going to write down tools and equipments, 3,75,000. Take a total 19,29,970. तो ये notes to accounts complete हो गई. So just go in the tangible assets and write down this total. 19,29,970. Next is debtors. Trade receivables के लिए हमने notes बनाई हैं. So it will be recorded under the trade receivables, debtors. 1,38,520. Next is cash at bank. So cash and cash equivalent. 1,57,106. Stores and spares inventories. 1,77,000. Next is profit and loss account credit balance. So under the head reserves and surplus. 21,490. Take a total 51,490. ये notes to accounts complete हो गया. Go in the head and directly write it down the amount in the front of reserves and surplus. Next, we have a bills receivable under the head trade receivables. चलो ट्रेड रिसीवेबल्स की नोट्स कंप्लीट हो गई. सो जस्ट राइट डाउन द अमाउंट 1,83,120. Last one is sundry creditors. It will be under the trade payables. Almost we have completed posting all the items. Now we need to take down the total. Total of liability is 3,38,03,550. Same way, just take the total of assets. 38 lakh 3,550. So it's getting tally. So write down the total on assets as well as on the liability side. done with the sum. Just see whole of the sum once.